a TMC leader, MLA in fact, Abdur Rahim Bakshi has threatened to pour acid into the mouth of a BJP leader, Shankar Ghosh, in Bengal during an event in a protest against atrocities against Bengalis peaking migrant workers. Let's listen into him.
2 তারিখে বিধানসভার ভিতরে দাঁড়িয়ে শিলিগুড়ি একজন বিজেপি বিধায়ক তিনি বলছেন যে বাইরে যে পরিযায়ী শ্রমিকরা থাকে সে পরিযায়ী শ্রমিকরা সকলে রোহিঙ্গা তিনি বলছেন সকলে হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশি এই ধরনের বক্তব্য রাখতে পারে একটা সংসদীয় মানুষ রাখতে পারে না একজন বিধায়ক রাখতে পারে না তাই বলছি তার মুখের উপরে এসিডটা ঢেলে দিলে তার কণ্ঠরক্ষা বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে জীবনে কোনোদিন আর বাঙালির বিরুদ্ধে কথা বলার সুযোগ সে পাবে না
ঠিক বলেছেন
100% ঠিক বলেছেন বলছি আপনি
Kamalika is now joining me from Kolkata. Kamalika, every time someone from the TMC uses this kind of a language, first Mahua Moitro and now the TMC MLA, it just gives more ammunition to the BJP, doesn't it?
Yes, definitely. And then also nothing, the problem is proper steps not taken against such people also, gives rise to more such comments. And this Abdur Rahim Bakshi is one person who has always been known for controversial statements and controversial remarks. In their local area, they are the muscle man and they are known for such comments and they feel that, this is what their claim to fame is. So definitely, be it Anubrata Mandal, be it this Rahim Bakshi, this is something which is, obviously, this is something which is definitely a very big question and it always gives an ammunition to the opposition.
But any action has been taken against MLA?
Till now, no action. Nothing has come up officially. More so, when this person was asked after his comment, he reiterated and he stated that he believes in what he says. So that is like, that has given more ammunition to opposition. And this is what the comment she made is, we know that there was a resolution has been passed in assembly on this Bengali migrants issue. So there, referring to that, this person stated, mentioning Shankar Ghosh, that there is one BJP MLA who has said that people who live outside the state, migrants, they are Rohingyas. So how he can say that? Acid should be shown in his face. So that is, even after the program when he was asked, he stated that whatever he said, 100% he is correct on that. So there where the question arises, until now there has been no action.
All right. Thank you very much, Kamalika. So completely unapologetic as well as unrepentant.